Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the 10 money skills everybody should know. In order to get to the point where you can earn, manage, and invest money, these 10 money skills you'll need to know. Number 1, nobody gets rich from saving money. Saving money is important for your emergency fund. It's also important for short-term things you need to purchase. If you want to buy a home, you have to save for a down payment. If you want to buy a new car, you have to save in order to be able to purchase that car. If you want to take a nice vacation, you would save in order to pay for that vacation. So saving does have a place, but it certainly is not going to get you the long-term wealth that you desire. Nobody gets rich by saving. The second money skill you'll need to know is assets versus liabilities. Assets are anything that puts money in your pocket. Liabilities are anything that takes money out of your pockets. An asset can be a rental property that produces positive cash flow you on a monthly basis. It can be an investment that you make into the financial market that increases in value over time and produces an income for you. A liability is something that you owe and costs you money. Credit card debt, car loan debt, personal loan debt, student loan debt are all liabilities that cost you money. If you're going to build wealth, you're going to need to be very good at understanding assets versus liabilities. The third money skill is learning how to use other people's money. If I want to buy a $300,000 rental property, but I only have $30,000, I would go to the bank, I would sit down with my loan officer, I would tell them about this $300,000 rental property I want to buy. I will show them the income potential from this rental property. I would also show them that I would have enough income to be able to pay my expenses, pay their loan, and have a nice profit. The bank would then lend me $270,000. I would put in my $30,000. So I leveraged $30,000 to control a $300,000 rental property. Leverage is a smart way to build wealth, guys. I've done it for the last 25 years. The fourth money skill is you need to earn more and spend less. If your primary income is not sufficient enough to be able to take care of your expenses and then leave your money left over that you can then turn around and invest to grow your wealth, then you're going to need to create and earn more income. You can do that through taking on a second job. You can do that through creating some side hustles. It's your responsibility to figure out how to earn extra money. The fifth money skill is know your dollar needs. Put yourself on a plan. Put yourself on a budget. Know what your income is that's coming in. Know what your expenses are that are going out. You can't save your way to wealth. You have to earn, you have to manage, and you have to invest. The sixth money skill is have a retirement plan. Now that can be in the form of a 401k. It can be in the form of an IRA. It can be a taxable brokerage account. It can be a real estate investment portfolio. With retirement plans, the younger you start, the more wealth you're able to build. You can also start later in life, but you'll have to earn more and invest more in order to catch up. The seventh money skill is know how to safeguard your money. Diversification. I put a lot of my money in the financial markets, where I invest in index funds, individual stocks, and ETFs. But I also invest in real estate, which is a great way to diversify my investments. Having all of your investments in one basket is not smart, guys. Even if all of your money is invested in the financial markets, make sure you diversify it within the financial markets. It's just a smart way to make sure you're not overly concentrated in one investment. The eighth money skill is to make money while you sleep. I put my money in investments, guys, that will pay me an income while I sleep. Real estate, financial markets, both of those investments generate an income for me. For work I did yesterday, I get paid today for it. And that's a concept, guys, I want you to think about. If you're going to invest your money, put it into investments that are going to create a passive income for you. For work you did yesterday, you get paid today and tomorrow with that investment. The ninth money skill is using the 50-30-20 rule. So what is it? 50% of your income goes towards your needs, your everyday essential needs to live. Food, shelter, transportation, insurance. 30% of your income goes towards your wants. Things that you want out of this life. Maybe you want to take a nice vacation. Maybe you want to upgrade your home. Maybe you want to take your family out to a nice dinner. Whatever your wants are, you would spend 30% of your income on that. The last 20% of your income would be dedicated towards investing. The 10th money skill is to make sure you're not paying unnecessary fees. Credit card fees, banking fees, unnecessary fees when you're investing your money. You should always shop different banks when you're considering opening your checking account or your savings account or your money market accounts. You should never put your money in a bank where they're going to charge you money to have your money in their bank. That's unnecessary. Do some shopping around. You should have no monthly maintenance fee, no minimum required in your deposit account, and there are banks out there that will give you these accounts without any fees. With your credit card, you should never have annual fee. You should also try to avoid paying unnecessary interest on balances that you carry on your credit card. And then investment fees. If you're going to purchase an investment, make sure you do your due diligence as it relates to management fees. That's one of the reasons why I invest my money in index funds and ETFs. They have very low expense ratios. Make sure you understand these fees, guys, because in the long run, they could eat away at money that you could potentially be investing for your future. Well, guys, those are the 10 money skills everyone should know. Drop me some comments. Let me know what you think about the video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel, share the video, and smash that like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.